In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a Jotform effectively and efficiently, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you are new to Jotform or a seasoned user looking to fine-tune your form testing process, this guide is tailored to help you streamline your testing, ensuring your forms are perfect before they go live. Let's start this journey by heading over to the Jotform website. You'll find Jotform to be an incredibly versatile tool, offering a free online form builder that allows you to create customized forms for virtually any use case. Once you're on their homepage, the first step is quite straightforward. You'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This action is your gateway to accessing the myriad features Jotform has to offer. Logging in can be done in several ways, but for many of us, the convenience of using our Google account or another platform connection makes the process seamless. Just choose the method that you prefer. Once you click on your method of choice, you'll be taken through the standard login procedure. It's as easy as it sounds, but do make sure that you're logging in with the account associated with your Jotform forms. After successfully logging in, navigate to My Forms. This is where all your creative work resides. You'll see a list, or perhaps just a few depending on your usage, of all the forms you've crafted. Take a moment here to browse through your collection, or reminisce about all the forms you've created. Now for the task at hand, select any form you wish to test by clicking on it and then select Edit Form. This action will take you into the Form Builder interface, where you created your form. It's a good time to make any last-minute changes or adjustments if you see the need. The Form Builder is a powerful tool, allowing you to tailor your form precisely to your requirements. On to the next step, publishing your form. Look for the Publish button at the top of the page. This button is your next click. Publishing your form is an action of commitment. It's saying, I'm ready for the world to see. However, the beauty of Jotform is that testing your form doesn't quite require that level of commitment yet. You'll see why very soon. Directly after clicking Publish, you're going to notice an option that says Open in New Tab. This option is particularly useful for what we're doing today, testing our form. By opening your form in a new tab, you're able to view and interact with it exactly as a user would. This perspective is invaluable. It allows you to fill out the form, checking for any hiccups, errors, or user experience issues. During this testing phase, pay attention to several key aspects. Firstly, ensure that all the form fields accept the type of input you expect. For example, an email field should correctly identify and flag incorrect email formats. Secondly, test the form's responsiveness. Various devices, phones, tablets, laptops should have no trouble displaying the form correctly. Lastly, fill out the form in its entirety to confirm that the submission process is smooth and error-free. By dedicating just a few minutes to testing your form using these detailed steps, you can save yourself and your form users a lot of potential headaches down the line. Remember, the goal is to craft a form that is not just functional but also user-friendly and efficient. Testing your form is a crucial step in the form creation process, ensuring that the information you collect is accurate and your user's experience is as seamless as possible. Keep in mind that even after your form goes live, you can always come back to Jotform, tweak your form, and test it again using the same process. Jotform's user-friendly interface combined with today's walkthrough means you're well equipped to handle any form testing with confidence and efficiency. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to test your Jotform efficiently within 5 minutes. Remember, attention to detail and a little testing can go a long way in ensuring your forms perform exactly as intended, providing a smooth experience for both you and your users. Happy form making, and see you in the next video.